Unlocking the savings. How to scoop up the savings. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an interesting phrase that you might come across in advertisements, shopping deals, or financial advice. Scoop up the savings. This phrase is not just about saving money. It's about how to do it smartly and effectively. So, let's break it down together and understand how you can use this expression in your daily life. Scoop up the savings combines two key concepts: scoop up and savings. To scoop up, something means to gather or collect something quickly, often with enthusiasm or eagerness, like how you might scoop up ice cream into a cone. Savings, on the other hand, refers to money that you have saved, especially by cutting costs or spending less. When we put these two ideas together, scoop up the savings means to take advantage of opportunities to save money efficiently and with a bit of excitement. It's often used in contexts where there is a limited time to act, like sales or special offers. Let's look at some scenarios where you might scoop up the savings. 1. Retail sales. Imagine your favorite store has a weekend sale where prices are significantly reduced. By buying items during this sale, you're scooping up the savings because you're paying less than usual. 2. Couponing. If you use coupons to get discounts on groceries or services, you're effectively scooping up the savings by reducing your expenses. 3. Financial decisions. Opting for more affordable insurance plans or switching to services that offer better value can also be considered scooping up the savings, as you're saving money over time. In each scenario, the key is to act quickly and wisely to make the most of the opportunity to save money. To truly scoop up the savings, here are some tips. 1. Stay informed. Keep an eye on sales, deals, and promotions. Subscribe to newsletters or follow your favorite brands on social media. 2. Compare prices. Don't just buy the first deal you see. Compare prices from different retailers to ensure you're getting the best deal. 3. Set a budget. It's easy to get carried away. Set a budget for how much you're willing to spend, even when scooping up savings, to avoid overspending. 4. Be quick but not hasty. While it's important to act quickly to take advantage of savings, make sure you're making wise purchasing decisions. Sometimes, waiting for a better deal can be more beneficial. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to scoop up the savings, and how you can apply this knowledge in your pursuit of financial savvy. Remember, it's about being quick to act but wise in decision-making to make the most of the opportunities that come your way. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you navigate more intriguing aspects of the English language in future videos. Happy saving!